Every luxury horn eyeglass frame begins with carefully selected gray Brahmin bull horns. Only premium quality natural horns continue to production. Each horn is inspected for strength, density, and natural beauty. Only flawless horns qualify for luxury eyewear.
Natural horn varies in color and thickness. Sorting ensures consistent premium quality eyeglass frames.
The audio features a male voiceover delivering commentary throughout the scene. Industrial washing removes hot water sanitizes the horn while softening its natural fibers. This prepares the material for precision forming.
Controlled drying prevents cracks during machining. The horn reaches the ideal moisture level.
The horn tip is removed to create a stable workpiece. Precision cutting minimizes material waste. The natural inner core is carefully separated. Only the dense outer horn shell becomes eyewear. Gentle heating softens the natural keratin. The flexible horn is now ready for pressing. Powerful hydraulic pressure reshapes the curved horn. Each sheet forms the foundation of luxury frames. Controlled cooling locks in the new flat profile. Natural grain remains beautifully preserved. CNC milling creates perfectly even horn sheets. Uniform surfaces improve frame precision. Every horn sheet must meet exact thickness specifications. Precision ensures strength and comfort. Computer-guided layouts maximize every horn sheet. Each frame is aligned with the natural grain. Computer-guided layouts maximize every horn sheet. Each frame is aligned with the natural grain. The first frame blanks are precision cut from natural horn. Each blank now begins its transformation into luxury eyewear. The rough horn blank receives its precise outer profile. Computer-controlled machining ensures perfect symmetry. Precision-machined lens openings guarantee an accurate fit. Every cut follows digital CAD specifications. The bridge determines both comfort and frame balance. Every curve is machined with exceptional precision. Precision hinge pockets ensure flawless assemble. Every measurement is digitally controlled. Natural horn nose rests provide exceptional comfort. Each contour is carefully hand-finished.
Coarse sanding removes every machining mark. The frame begins to feel smooth. Hand sanding brings out the horn's natural elegance. Every frame receives individual attention. Hand sanding brings out the horn's natural elegance. Every frame receives individual attention. Fine polishing unlocks the horn's luxurious glow. Every natural pattern becomes more vibrant.
Matching temples are cut from the same horn. Natural grain alignment creates visual harmony.
Each temple is shaped for comfort and balance. Precision milling guarantees identical pairs. A concealed metal core strengthens every temple. The reinforcement remains completely invisible. Careful finishing conceals every internal component. Only the beauty of natural horn remains visible. Premium hinges provide smooth, reliable movement. The luxury eyeglass frame is now ready for final assembly. The handcrafted temples are carefully joined to the frame. Every hinge is adjusted for smooth, balanced movement. Perfect alignment ensures comfort and durability. Every frame is adjusted to micron-level precision. Sharp edges are transformed into smooth, comfortable curves. Hand finishing enhances the luxury feel. Careful hand polishing reveals the horn's natural beauty. Every pattern is unique to the individual frame. Every luxury frame is inspected under powerful lighting. Only flawless surfaces continue forward. Ultrasonic cleaning removes invisible polishing residue. The horn surface is prepared for final finishing. Controlled drying protects the natural horn. The polished finish remains crystal clear. Natural conditioning nourishes the horn from within. The unique grain becomes richer and more vibrant. Natural conditioning nourishes the horn from within. The unique grain becomes richer and more vibrant. The horn naturally absorbs its protective treatment. This helps preserve beauty for years to come. Every lens is measured for a precise fit. Accuracy at this stage ensures flawless assembly.
Gentle heating makes the natural horn slightly flexible. The lenses are installed with exceptional care.
Perfect lens seating is essential for long-term durability. Every detail is inspected before final testing.
Every hinge is tested for smooth and reliable performance. Consistent movement reflects premium craftsmanship. Controlled flex testing confirms structural integrity. The handcrafted frame maintains its precise shape. Precision measurements verify perfect symmetry. Every luxury frame meets strict manufacturing standards.
Every visible surface is examined under intense lighting. Only flawless frames receive final approval.
The final cleaning creates a flawless presentation. Every frame is prepared for premium packaging. Luxury packaging protects every handcrafted frame. Presentation reflects the quality inside. Each handcrafted frame receives its final certification. The luxury horn eyeglasses are now ready for customers around the world. Protective films shield the lenses during shipping. Every detail is preserved until delivery.
Every handcrafted frame includes premium accessories. Presentation reflects exceptional craftsmanship.
Each accessory is carefully positioned for an elegant presentation. The packaging reflects the premium nature of the product.
Each package receives a unique tracking identity. Every luxury frame is fully traceable. Export cartons protect every luxury package. Careful packing prevents movement during transit. Every shipment is accurately labeled for worldwide delivery. Digital tracking follows every package. Completed orders are organized for efficient distribution. The journey to customers is about to begin. Each order is carefully verified before dispatch. Accuracy ensures every customer receives the correct product. The handcrafted journey now reaches customers around the world. From natural horn to luxury eyewear, every frame tells a story.
From the factory to customers across the globe, precision craftsmanship travels without compromise.
Regional centers prepare each order for final delivery. Every package remains fully traceable.
The final delivery begins. Each handcrafted frame is almost home. The journey from factory to customer is complete. Now the craftsmanship can be experienced firsthand.
Every detail reflects luxury from the very first moment. Presentation is part of the handcrafted experience. Every frame displays a one-of-a-kind natural pattern. No two horn eyeglasses are ever identical.
Natural horn offers exceptional comfort and timeless elegance. Every handcrafted frame feels uniquely personal.
From natural gray Brahmin bullhorn to luxury eyewear, every frame is handcrafted to become a lasting work of art. Every handcrafted frame reflects generations of skilled craftsmanship. Natural beauty is preserved in every detail.
From raw horn to refined luxury, every stage adds precision without hiding nature.
Every natural pattern is completely unique. No two horn frames are ever identical. Precision engineering complements handcrafted artistry. Luxury is found in every small detail. Natural horn offers lightweight, everyday comfort, designed for elegance and lasting wear.
Gentle cleaning keeps the horn looking its best. Simple care preserves its natural beauty.
Occasional conditioning keeps the horn healthy. Natural care enhances lasting durability. Store the frame safely when not in use. Proper storage protects handcrafted quality. Quality craftsmanship stands the test of time. Luxury grows more beautiful with proper care. Behind every frame is a dedicated team. Craftsmanship is built through skilled hands. Every angle reveals handcrafted perfection. Luxury lives in every curve. Precision meets natural elegance. Every finish reflects expert craftsmanship. Luxury is experienced every day. Designed for those who appreciate craftsmanship. Every signature represents authentic craftsmanship. Quality is permanently engraved.
Every stage contributes to exceptional quality. Craftsmanship defines the entire journey.
Luxury deserves an elegant presentation. The journey reaches its finest moment. Nature and precision exist together. Every detail tells its own story.
From raw gray Brahman bullhorn to a masterpiece of luxury eyewear.
Thank you for exploring the journey of handcrafted luxury horn eyeglasses. See you in the next Inside Factory TV Factory adventure.